An Audi car skids a distance of 14.32 kilometers and collides into the rear of a red Chevrolet Silverado, turning right to enter a gateway. The impact speed of the car was tested at 40.22 kilometers and the impact speed of the pickup at 16.09 kilometers. The zone speed limit of the area is 50 kilometers. Questions arise. Was the car driver at fault in the accident, or was the driver of the pickup at fault? Accident reconstruction is the only tool that can provide the answers. By a process of reverse engineering, calculations prove that the speed of the car at the start of the skid was 64.52 kilometers, and that the car skidded for 98 seconds. Reconstructing the accident provides compelling evidence that if the car was traveling at the zone speed limit of 50 kilometers, that accident would not have happened. Don't listen to others who try to persuade you otherwise. Contact our experts at advancedadjusters.com and win your case.